impromptu, like how you want it. I understand where you're coming from. Shit's kind of bad right now where you want to vibe. I get this shit, son. But we can play the best of 5. If you want to really go there in a Dubwise fashion, I'm not talking about some popcorn, alkaline, 6 bucks, 9 bars, 15 bars. No. It's good about. If we want to do that, it's good.
People, if you want a sound clash in here right now, say accurate.
Accurate.
And like sound clash, we're playing the best of 5.
So what is it? Best of 5 or is it 2 for 2? He says, hold on. This is not a tell you about your mother kind of clash, right? This is a respectful clash. A big song clash. If you want it, say accurate. Even though you didn't go to that school, say immaculate. Run it.
Hold on, Jazzy. Because when them Renaissance, them don't think. Hold on, Rory, relax. Really, relax. Not because of them Renaissance would have some dub plate. We're not playing any jiggy dub plate tonight. Don't worry yourself.
Alright, so
Let's just have some fun. Who wanna have fun? You wanna end up with them? Alright, them think Renaissance are eating soon? Remember, let's just start easy. Ooh, yeah. Renaissance! First up! So, Rory, the mic.
see man, show you sometime. Someone let's jump it. So you can find my laptop. Right, like this. Why Rodigan, man, I tell you? Hey, I don't know. Rodigan saying, he no come for this. He no come for this. He's right now on the best of 2. A big man, I respect Rodigan. See, himself. I told him I'm going to play. I'm a man. Blinky, don't worry yourself. That's the man wants to. Move your hand.
Rory, going to play one?
Put it on this side.
It's the best of 3 or?
Run this song. Do that. Now I street you out there. You don't suggest that with you, son. You play diamonds or whatever. Exciting, man.
So make Rodigan play something, Rory.
Who's that whatever?
You want me to play one?
You see the worst thing in life, massive, as Rasta must have patience. I learned that the hard way. Yeah, man, so that's why I must have patience when I go straight. So I ain't gonna play on diamonds. You have to self-bridge, the man say 1 for 1, ching. Yeah, buddy. Everyone say, be there, done that, have no t-shirt. Man say one mercy, I understand. Rodigan, I want to play a tune.
What? You want me to play? Alright. I have to tell you that I didn't travel with my killing dogs. Because when I travel with my killing dogs, it's a problem at customs. Worse still at Jamaica immigration. But on a night like this, I could jump in a taxi, and they don't have Uber in Kingston. I jumped in an old 1950s Morris Oxford taxi, and go all the way up to Spur Tree Hill. Then drive all the way down and go to Stony Hill. And when I get out the taxi, the driver say, "Don't slam the door."
Yeah, there's no special way to introduce Rodigan, except to say, play Rodigan. Just play. Yeah. It's good
Ready?
enough.
You ready?
Well, what a night, yes. Rodigan night, yeah. What a night. Rodigan not kill sound. Yeah, you might kill them one by one. Yeah, you might turn the press upside down. Feel good, I feel good, yeah. And I feel good.
Get out of my
Listen,
so
if I run up and down.
Stony Hill.
Cause I'm counting another round. Feel good.
Mine. When the lion is sleeping, Beenie Man said, "Don't you ever wake him." Rory, look at you.
Do not ever just be the man, tell you shit. Rodigan, I've known him since 1984. Do not just be the man with that stuff.
This is Stone Love, it's the big song. I need to grab the mic off the king. Wait a minute. Boy, you playing on a club play. Sound boy, what can you do to stop your sound from dying?
Boy, it look like the little uptown sound now. The little uptown renaissance with them, so we're uptown. They think we don't have dub plates and tunes. Both of them just played Barry Salmon. They think I don't have berries. Berries!
No, this is the original Barry Salmon, and when them tune up play dance, girl, in a different dimension.
Yeah! Everybody put your hands together!
I know you're gonna kill it tonight, yeah. Someone you never will understand it. The way this your dance around. There's no open chance, no escape from radiant sound. Cause every time you lift your head above water and try to save yourself from down.
Everybody sing my nothing, sing my nothing!
Water to fill your nose and send you back down. Sound boy, you
Renaissance going to kill them all! David Rodigan, with all respect.
You think I'm gonna fall in your trap? You think a donkey don't know where to go home? You think the goat doesn't know where his house is? I know where my house is. I know where my dub plates are. And I'm staying at the top of Stony Hill.
sometimes you get tired. No competition. Cause you won't know what to do now, or what that's the plan.
Give me some signal, Jamaica.
Ooh, Rodigan is ready to kill a different sound.
Somebody say pull up. Somebody say Rory. Somebody say 1 for 1. Can't done.
If you're enjoying yourself, make some noise! Rory, one time, Rory.
Hi, guys. Who started this?
When I was a little
Jazzy, you
kid,
started this.
when I was a little kid, that thing called Three Blind Mice. Three blind mice, I see no 2 blind mice. I don't know if I can say one now, but one man now is blind to us. So, massive making fair, Rodigan never come for this. He come from Dubwise, so it's pistachio. I respect Rodigan for what he do for reggae music. I respect you to Rodigan. So we got 1-1-1-1. This is 2-2-2-2-2. We're going to play for a second show And my second tune is.
Things are still on full sound. Have mercy. You want to let us know now? Even though. Then one that. Mama, stone of murderer. Stone of your road, me father. Papa, we set us on fire.
What we say?
Here one. Sounds for dead. Stone of your nasty if the head. Gunshot from us up in a sound boy. It sounds for dead. Stone of your nasty if the head. Don't blame from us up in a sound boy. Them never hear. When friend Rory say, Thomas.
Now, as you have observed, I did not tell you to put your hand in the air. I did not tell you to sing along. I am not insecure with my doublets. If you didn't know, Rodigan and Rory Stone Love, they call it the big leagues. Renaissance is a little uptown sound, growing and growing, and they underrate us. I am not insecure in my doublets either, because when I play this one, I don't have to say nothing.
Now you know my small crowd, this is a thing called Renaissance scene. You don't know when I take a chance. We bust up some boy facing on the dance with dub play. Friend of my bring up on danger where I say all girls, you don't know. Renaissance, big sound. Tired of taking the blame. Renaissance are the word that them again. Tell them, whoa, big sound on them kiss me friend. And now we're gonna murder someone, I know what you be playing.
Somebody say pull up! David Rodigan.
Son of mercy. I know a place called Cockburn 10. If you know a place called Cockburn 10, you're a Kingstonian. Give me some signal. I also know of a burial ground called Dovecot.
Why God Dovecot? Why God Dovecot? These boys here, one them Philly. These boys here, one them Roddy. These boys here, one them Daddy. These boys here, one them Roddy. Sometimes some back and some of them are rally back Roddy and she falls down when them take no back shot. Sometimes some back and some of them are rally back Roddy and drop up top and them take no back shot. Sometimes some back and some of them are rally back Roddy top, you no take no back shot. Sometimes some back and some of them are rally back Roddy and top, you no take no back shot. Boys, whoa, they when Roddy have it run back, we say inside talk and we say
Outside ram, tous pas catabos, face around the gun, come and get top one, 10 Kingston and never tell your friend. Super! What am I saying? People dead! Without mercy! You're riding west? Man or ride us? Are you having fun, Jamaica? Decent.
Are you finished with the expedition
You're definitely right. You're
of dancing of peace? Ladies and gentlemen, I'm not gonna lie to you. I have one super cat with his hair not right now. I'm not gonna lie to you. I cannot play any. I'm an honest person. I have honor. I'm not gonna lie to you, but I will play you his brother.
Hey! Yeah, man, I want to go down some little clown and some little fool, but toast to the top celebrate the sound, so they come back in the room. What is a kill push without me in a nice decent day to them in the window? We need some little clown that go in the water at the top sound. Someone do man and a friend and a pussy. 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 Let's tell about killing pussy and we kill them. Let's tell about killing the pussy and we kill them. Let's tell about.
You know, a matter of fact, I apologize. I shouldn't bother play that tune there. I hear that thing there. So, I'm going to take a big box for that one there. Yeah, you know why? You know why, Rory? Let me explain to you. You see the word called P-U-S-S-Y. I know you don't like it, so understand. No, hold on. I don't get it wrong, don't get it twisted. It is a very serious thing. I know you don't like it. Why are you grabbing the mic? I grab your shirt. Moses Davis, that rhythm that Rory just played, can we cuss a Jamaican bad word? Cuss a Jamaican bad word, people. Moses Davis in the building.
Hey, you! Over there, so let me tell you this bumbleclad. You 9M and them fi swell up your bumbleclad. Gangsta for life.
You should be
bumbleclad. You no want just
We having fun. This is fun, Rory. You know what I'm saying? Rory, you think to see it.
All right.
Why, Rodigan? Let's shoot the worst of my own.
It's called Friendly One for One. Well, no introduction for this. You know why? The voice alone says it all. No one has a voice like this.
Request from the depths of my heart, Shabba to David Rodigan. You humongous request from the depths of my heart, Shabba. Someone goes to right. Top, higher level. Real rebel. Praise of the people. Bust up, all the dub there. Rodigan, keep them shine on Chris.
Mr. Rory Stone Love.
You know, I'm Shabba from 1981. Yep. I'm not gonna play now. Play now, I'm not gonna play now. I'm respecting Rodigan and them Shabba and nasty. I have big man respect you.
Thank you, Rory.
So I'm pass it to Renaissance. But I'm gonna go to Shabba. Because we respect you, I know you do for the music. What just happened? No, man, I'm not play that Shabba. I'm not going to disrespect another. So play another tune. No, man, you play your tune because we did well a while ago when they beat them and bad words. You go, man, you go back, you go. No, it's Jamaica bad words. We're in Jamaica. Anyway. Alright. Rory will skip this round. David, you play Super Cat Shabba, right?
Yes, correct.
Now, you're a selector from way back when. I respect you. Can I switch the whole dance right now?
Do what you want to do, as long as you get the forward.
Okay. When I play this song, everybody who was born and raised in Jamaica bust a blank. If you are born and raised in Jamaica, bust a blank. If you don't know this song, you're not Jamaican. Don't play style Burns and Levy from the Renaissance.
Renaissance! I know say kill some songs, I know we keep on the song. Yeah,
Big
I
show,
am
big show.
Yeah, I know. Jazzy T, I am me. I'm the intercount, I was a time to count. Because listen, Jazzy T, them a murder son.
Ladies and gentlemen, 1981.
Give them dead, Roddy.
Cash Ranger, everybody come is dead. Them Cash Ranger, you know what? Cash Ranger, kill something tonight. Hey, whoa, yeah, some boy, Rodigan's gonna get himself together. Yes, can't afford to let his faith go. You know, some boy, wherever just sun comes shining, and my sisters are all smiling.
Yeah, I know.
No one is dying. My people are crying, but he's living in the love of the Father. Rodigan's living in the house of the Almighty, yeah, living in the love of the Father. Rodigan's living in the house of the Almighty, yeah.
Got it. Dennis Brown, talk of the town. All of us see.
Alright. Rodigan, I'm sorry to say you fell apart a while ago. And I had to get yourself together. Shit happens, son. I get you. Chassis take you to the most common burn to leave you in the history of Sound Clash. I am so disappointed. If you play Black Roses or something else, I will be happy. But you really fucked up. Beenie Man is vexed right now. He's very disappointed. He came all the way from his house to see you mess up. You won the one-eyed man. I know you use the card like Mighty Crown saying that you're the underdog. We're not stupid as ghetto people. We have seen you like Buster Manti come here and try to fool us. You're not going to fool the rest of them. It won't work. Don't do the uptown thing. Don't do that. Do not do the uptown thing like you're underdog from uptown. This is roots reggae music. It's from the ghetto. You have never lived in the 7 yards and paid out your buckets. See, you have not done those things. So don't come here trying to fool us with your Rolex watch on your wrist and say you're the poor thing. Don't do that. With your polo shirts and the sexy jeans and your shoes. Don't do that. Better you cool and run around the world like a fool.
Come on now, come on then. Alright then. Chip boom, dum 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 day.
Nitty gritty.
Come on then. Stone Love is a song that play round the world. Stone Love is a song that play round the world. Nobody try come test me. Nobody try come test me. Come no one do walk up beg love.
This stuff did not do very well. All right. People, what's really happening here? Rory, you're a legend. But that dub plate didn't make it. I'll be honest. You know I'm an honest person. Now, you want me to play the biggest international dub plate in the venue tonight? Anybody here know about UB40? Who know UB40? Who don't want me to play the next biggest dub plate ever? Renaissance, the uptown sound? Kill them, the Lord.
The original Big Mountain. Team it up with Renaissance sound.
The biggest dub plate since Kingston. Go on, alright.
Every sound will run away.
Go away.
Renaissance kill sounds before our
Internationally.
So, Renaissance went to Birmingham and voiced UB40.
I didn't say it was UB40. I said the next big thing to UB40. Big Mountain.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay, sorry, I got confused. Okay, but I'm not going to America. I'm not going to Birmingham. I'm staying in Jamaica. I know what's going on here. I know what's going on.
Big say complicated. And so I try to fix the round thing and that I oh, what a shame. And so I try to fix the round thing and that I and I think that to say. And so I try to fix the round thing and that oh, what a shame. And so I try to fix the round thing.
Yesterday the Clash have to lock off soon. So we're gonna play 2 more songs. Everybody get 1 more song. If you love Rory Stone, go and make some noise for me. If you want Rory Stone Love to represent, make some noise for me. Rory, talk to the people then now.
Okay. I'm gonna play my final song. Then you can do your 2 by 2. Where is the microphone with the wire?
Yeah, the microphone alone.
I don't want this alphabet microphone. Yes. Thank you very much. Always have the straight things in life. Now, a while ago, Renaissance said Big Mountain is the biggest international song played in Dubwise tonight. Rodigan played is Luciana. Somebody like that song. And so that's the biggest international song. Rodigan is an historian. This is the biggest song that ever came out of Jamaica. You don't want to ball forward, I don't care, but my history lesson. This is the biggest international song that came out of Kingston, Jamaica. Now. Rory played My Boy Lollipop. Oh my goodness. Hold on, stop it Dylan. That was Millie Small. That's a big tune. Yeah, big tune for real. But for my final song, I have to play a female. And if you know the history of reggae music, when you talk about Robert Nesta Marley and the I Trees, you had Judy Mort, Rita Marley, and who?
We don't know how we and them are gonna work it out. Me no know. As someone will have to pay for them idiot dubs them play.
Listen, my dog.
Now sons make them run away. Just big up yourself.
Everybody loves Sister Marcy Griffiths.
Maximum.
My final shoot for the night. Hands up.
Renaissance is murdering your sound tonight. We had someone come give away his life. It is so easy to murder your sound. It doesn't pay to clash Renaissance sound.
If you're loving Dubwise, put your hands in there. This is a fun thing. This is Renaissance, Rodigan and Rory Stone Love. Hold on, they want to acapella? Acapella? What's your about?
Ladies and gentlemen, this has to be the last song. We've just been told that this is officially the last song because the authorities have given us a period of grace and we've come to the end of that period of grace. As it is a Sunday morning, I'm going to play a song that is fitting for a Sunday morning when we give worship and we give atonement. Listen keenly, please, gentlemen.
Don't send your challenge, no. No, 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 no.
Barry's Hammond.
Wherever you late night. Gonna make history, yeah. Take it easy, sound boy. Take it easy, yeah.
Listen, Kingly.
Wanna disrespect your sound. But remember, yeah. When you're planning to challenge Rodigan, make sure you're serious.
Hey! Thank you for a wonderful evening, ladies and gentlemen. Safe journey home. It's been Dubwise 2019 at Kaya House, Kingston, Jamaica. One love.
Okay, now play my last one. Quick. In Dubwise fashion, the final show before it closes road. What do we play?
Some boy must buy me crazy
We're done.
Beer, try to remember you better be weird. Yeah, we're stepping up to the old promotion, and this is Dubwise. Come back to the pyramid speaking. I want to say big up to all my ladies who are right here rocking and dancing while the dub plates were playing. See? I want to say big up to David Rodigan. Big up to Rory Stone Love. Jazzy T. Delano Renaissance. I want to say everyone reach home safe tonight. See? Is there any after party? If there's any official after party, I would like to go. See? If not, make it safely home. And remember, love your brother, love your sister as you love yourself. Kabaka promise said that. See? If you love reggae music, say accurate. I love my fans them right here. Big up on yourself.